I'm trying out YouTube live streaming. I don't actually know if I'm live right now. Uh, this is all going to be a huge experiment. We're just going to try it out, and we'll see where we go. So let me take a look. Oh, I have an event. I'm just looking in my control panel sort of thing. It says it's live now, and there's no one watching.
Try.
Oh, yep, it works. Let's see. So there's supposed to be like a 45-second delay or something. I don't actually know if I'm live right now. Okay, so it seems like it's working. Don't see any viewers in there yet. Oh, I guess that's cool. My I'm using using XSplit, and it says how many viewers are on it. It's public. I assume it's probably publishing right now. I wonder what the thumbnail looks like. I have no idea how this actually works. Like, if I go to youtube.com/SethBling and I'm not logged in, like, what is it? Does it show up as anything? Yeah, okay, right on my main, the main window of my page. Sorry, the top thing of my channel says, or it displays the live stream, most recent picture, I guess. So that's cool. We've got some likes. Don't know where to see how many viewers there are. I don't even know if that shows it on the page. It still says 0 viewers on my on my XSplit. I don't know. I don't know. Let's. Okay, there's 12 likes on the live stream. So it says 7 watching now. Okay. So it looks like it's kind of working. Yeah, basically I asked the Minecrackers if I should, or for any advice on live streaming on YouTube, and they all said don't do it. So I don't know. Oh, that's kind of interesting. You can actually see my mouse. Is that always a feature of? Oh, it's because I'm recording the screen rather than recording the game directly, I guess. Oh yeah, here we are. I can see the chat. Hey guys, that's cool. Yeah, so the chat, I think there's like a 45-second delay on the live stream. So I'm not gonna be able to see the chat instantly once it shows up. Let's. Okay, this is not. Yeah, but the chat. That's interesting. The chat does look like it's pretty live, although it's taking forever to load for me. XSplit still says 0 viewers, so that's cool. It says 47 on my watch page. Maybe I should mute this, press play. Oh, but it's not. Okay, you can press the. Okay, I see. So the cool thing about the YouTube live stream page is that you can actually pause, and it'll actually like resume from where you left off. So it's kind of like watching a video almost. Kind of. Which is not necessarily what you want, but there is a live button you can press, I guess, that'll put it back up live. I want to know what the delay is though, so I'm going to clap my hands and then count or look at a timer. So let's see, it's 13:40 was when I clapped. So I'm gonna wait for the clap to happen. Sorry, I'm not really doing anything in Minecraft right now. I just want to figure out this live streaming stuff, make sure everything's working, just kind of see what the deal is before I try anything too serious. So it's been 25 seconds so far, still no clap. 242 watching. Thanks for joining me in this great experiment. Oh, there it is. I see the clap. Let's see. It was about 35 seconds. So that's the delay that I'm seeing at least. I still can't see the comments though. This is terrible. Let me try refreshing my page. Of course, every time I refresh. Oh, there we are. Yes. Okay. Clap. All right. So, yeah, I don't know if I should try. I mean, I should be able to both broadcast to YouTube and Twitch simultaneously. Maybe that's something I should try. Yeah, the chat though is not like, I'm getting the little like spinny bar, as if the chat is not updating, and it's not updating. So that's cool. Yeah, this is not great. This platform. I don't know if there's anything wrong on my end that I'm not seeing the chat updating. Like, I can see my video is working just fine. It seems to be high quality. The video does. And I'm just not seeing the chat updating, which is... Oh! No, wait, the chat's updating now. Clappity clap. Alright. Now it's not. It seems... I guess it, like, maybe it's coming in bursts. It lagged out for a while, and... Yeah, I don't know if it's like a bandwidth issue. But I'm seeing the chat now. Its chat's going by pretty fast. I wonder if there's, like, options for, like, slow mode or anything. Because there's a lot of people chatting right now. Yeah, I see 575 watching. That's what it says. Yeah. I don't know if there's like a slow mode or anything. I see a little options thingy, but all it says is moderators, which is not. I mean, it would be nice to have moderators. If there's anyone who already knows me and knows how to get in contact with me, just ping me if you want to be a moderator. That would be helpful. But yeah, I don't think there's a slow mode option like there is on Twitch. So, support net neutrality. That's true. Yeah. So this is my first live stream on YouTube. I'm basically just trying it out. I do have something I want to build. I'm gonna try and build a paintball thingy, like it says in the title. But first, I just want to see if I can get things working. Let me check the options actually in my live stream thing to see if there's any. Oh, I could have had it automatically tweet things out. So it's starting at 6:09 p.m., ending at 9:09 p.m. But I don't. Let's see. Advanced settings. Oh, allow comments. Users can view ratings for the video. Captions. This is like all the video stuff. This isn't. Oh, there are some live streaming things. And I can set a broadcast delay. Yeah, there's nothing I can really do to. Oh wow, I just got a message in my chat window that says, due to high volume, comment loading is disabled. Click here to continue loading comments. High volume. This is not exactly the highest volume I've ever seen. Okay, well, that's fine. So, I guess maybe I'll just get started and we'll just see how it goes. I heard if I get disconnected at all that it's gonna go ahead and just like not allow me to reconnect, as in the live stream's over. So hopefully that doesn't happen. I usually don't get disconnected during live streams. I may try also live streaming to Twitch. In fact, maybe that's... I just want to... I'm not going to do it yet because I want to try the YouTube thing first and give it a fair shot and just see how it works. Everyone tells me that I shouldn't... Oh, is a video in here? Oh, maybe I should just mod everyone from Minecraft. A video. Can I do that? Hold on. Username or email? I don't know. Sure. I think I modded a video. Yeah, anyone else who knows how to contact me and is watching this stream, go ahead and just ping me and I'll try and mod you. Although I don't actually know if I'm doing it successfully. Even if I do live stream on Twitch during this stream, I'm still gonna keep going on YouTube. So we're up to 1,000, so that's pretty cool. A lot of spam, and I don't think there's any way to deal with that. Let's see, Avidya. Yeah, Avidya, you let me know if you actually got mod privileges. I'm kind of curious. I didn't actually see your name in the chat. Oh, there you are. Yeah, okay, it has... Okay, I see your name in the chat. A little check mark next to your name. Oh, whoa. I'm all... My name's all red when I chat. That's kind of cool. I guess you guys saw that 40 seconds ago, though. 35 seconds ago. A lot of people spamming, and yeah, I don't think there's anything I can do about that, so I'm just not going to dwell on it. But yeah, I mean, obviously, the experience would be better for everyone if you didn't spam, so please consider not spamming. Let's, I guess, get started. I'm going to clear out my inventory first. Just get rid of, just /clear. Alright, let's give SethBling. Let's do some command block stuff. Oops. Alright. So, I have some ideas for what I want to do, but we'll see how well they work. I'm not clear on everything. I'm probably going to be writing some MC edit stuff as well during the stream. So, just a little bit. It shouldn't take too long to write the filter that I want to write. So, okay, where do I even get started here? Where do I even get started? Alright, so I'm going to first start with like a fill clock. Let's move over here. So let's fill. Let's do a big fill clock, 20 stone. And redstone block. Okay, so here we have a... Whoops. That's not what I meant. Okay. Gotta get rid of those redstone blocks before I do anything else. Boop. Oh, what? Why didn't that work? Why didn't that work? Error. What? I'm already running into problems. Tilde. Huh. Minecraft. Oh, because it's... Yeah, okay. Yeah. I wasn't able to activate the command block because it was already activated, so that makes sense. So, okay, here's a fill clock. And it's got... Okay, so these are all good. Actually... Okay, so this is... Let's just make sure it's on. Hey, look, the command blocks are as spammy as my live stream chat. Awesome. All right, so I'm actually going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a clock that uses replace. Place stone. Yeah. So now, okay, so now I do say hi. Okay, so it's saying hi, and now hello. Now it's not, and if I put the redstone block back, so this, each one of these things is like a toggleable clock now. This is actually something, I don't know how I'd never really thought of this before, but this is a really easy way to toggle toggle clocks, and I saw it in, Sarge was doing a live stream for Mod Jam this weekend, and I thought it was pretty cool, and it's very useful. Somebody asked, is this only going to be command block programming? Mostly there's going to be some actual programming, some MC edit filter programming. But yeah, this is, I mean, basically I'm trying to create a video. This is what I do to create a video. And, oh, I got some, let's see. Avidya says he is, yeah, Avidya says he's successfully been modded, but... And he's starting to flag things as spam, but obviously it's a little bit hard to do. If you don't, yeah, if you find the chat too spammy, just full screen the video or something. You don't have to read it. Who's Sarge? Sarge is one of the new Mojang developers. He is from the Minecraft Coder Pack. He was in charge of it, and or I think that's what it's called. Yeah. Anyway, he's a really awesome guy. He's been adding a lot of the features recently, like. Was he responsible for... I'm trying to actually remember now whether it was Sarge or Dinnerbone that did fill and replace. Or fill and clone and stuff. I think it was Sarge, yeah. So he's awesome. But yeah, he was doing a like live stream thing this weekend, building a map for a thing called Mod Jam. Anyway, okay, so what's next? So this is a clock. Let me actually remove... Oh, how do I do this? So the thing is, I don't want this to be a clock for now. I want it to be something where I can serialize a bunch of redstone. I think I know how to do that. I just put a, let's see. Put a 1 here, yeah. So I just wanted to serialize a bunch of redstone commands. So when I do this, let's see. /say hi. Okay, so now when I put a redstone block here, it should just say hi once. And then, so now I can say like, oops, say 1. I'm terrible at typing. Say 1. Say 2. Say 3. And so those all should happen in order. So it should say hi 1 2 3. Yep, cool. So basically now I can like manually control this clock by just placing and breaking the redstone, which is what I want for now because I don't want the clock to be going nonstop. Otherwise, bad things could happen. So what I want this to do is basically I'm going to create like an expanding radius from the player that's going to do something. And you'll see what it is in a bit. We're up to 1,639 watching, by the way. Thank you for coming by. Sorry about the terrible chat. It's really bad. Okay. So I'm going to summon Wither Skulls. And the Wither Skulls are going to... So let's see. I need a new scoreboard objective. Scoreboard objectives add. It's going to be a dummy objective called... state, which is not very descriptive. Whoops. State dummy. Okay, so the first thing I want it to do, let's see, what order do I want this to happen in? Okay, I think I know what I want it to do. So first I'm gonna execute at P. Hold on, should I mark the player? Yeah, I'm gonna mark the player with state. Score state min equals 1. So I'm gonna summon. Okay. So let's see. I really need to think about this, and it's gonna be really unclear to you what's going on, but this is the process I have to go through, and if I have to talk it out while giving full context, it's going to take me a lot longer than it would otherwise. Yeah, Avidius says he's trying to mark people as spammers, but they're still able to repost, so it's not really neat. Yeah. Oh, wait, look, my chat's not loading. Great. Oh, it's loading now. Alright, so I'm going to summon a Wither Skull. Let's see, 5 blocks in the X direction from the player. Wither Skull. Okay, I need to do some testing actually. So summon Wither Skull, and yeah. Oh right. And I need direction. So that'll keep it from moving. So hold on, I need to test something. Scoreboard objective set display sidebar state. Say hi at a score state equals 0. Okay, so scoreboard players add at a state 0. Ah, that's so obnoxious. That's so obnoxious. Maybe I can do like operation. Shoot, what's the syntax? Operation at a state times equals. Wait, what? What's target? What's target name? Oh, Yeah. Okay, that's not... You can't multiply each by 1. Okay, so I have to just add 1 and subtract 1? I just want to get everybody on the scoreboard with a value of 0 so that I can like start doing things. I guess I just have to add and remove 1. That's really obnoxious. Let's actually move this over here. Okay. Let's scoreboard players add at E type equals wither skull state 1. And then remove. So this will set the new wither skull's score to 0. I'm gonna have to do that a lot. It's gonna be obnoxious. Damn, this new spam is fancy. Okay. So now its score is 0. Scoreboard player set at E type equals wither skull score state equals 0. So this is like all of the new wither skulls. State 1. So let's just try it. Scoreboard objective set display sidebar state. Huh. Say hi at each. Do I have any wither skulls? Oh, it didn't work. Oh, hold on. Why isn't... Okay. Identity UUID. Oh, because I... Okay. Scoreboard player set SethBling state 1. Okay, so let's try this now. So now we've got a wither skull. Summon at E. Wither skull score state min equals 1. Let's make it a... Oh. Execute. Summon creeper. Boo boo boo. What? The command didn't work. Oh, summon. It's summon creeper tilde. There we go. Okay. So now I have a creeper 5 blocks away from me in the X direction, which is what I wanted. Kill. Die. Okay, sorry. Alright, so I need to get rid of this sidebar. Okay. How do I do this? Okay, this is not actually what I want, is it? I want to summon 2 wither skulls initially, and then... Or no, just 1 wither skull initially. Okay. I kind of get it. Alright, so... Let's grab a button. Let's actually move this a little farther away. Let's actually... Okay. Fill tilde 2... Alright, so I'm going to summon new redstone blocks. Yeah, cool. So I'm going to execute this summon command. I'm going to summon a wither skull. Oops, turn number lock off. And then set its state to 1. So I'm going to do all this stuff I just did over here. This is what I want to do initially. So, okay. Yeah. Okay. So then the execute command here that we're doing, we're going to summon. Oh my god, this is so complicated. I think I can figure this out, but this is, yeah. Sorry, I'm not really explaining why this stuff is happening to you. Let me check Skype real quick. Okay, good. So I want to... Here, let me just do an MS Paint real quick. This is going to be helpful. What I'm trying to do here is basically create a radius around the player where I'm going to turn everything white. This is going to be basically a white canvas so that the paintball can turn things from white into other colors. So I'm starting at the player. So the player is right here. Oh, yeah, okay, this is working. I think this is working. Oh, this is perfect. Here's the player. Now I'm going to start by summoning a Wither Skull right here at the player and giving it a state of 1. And someone said start 9. That's funny. So this one's going to get a state of 1. Then I want to, relative to the thing with the state of 1, I want to summon a couple things with a state of 2 and 3, respectively. And then I guess kill this guy. Or maybe set its state to 10 or something. Maybe I want to... Yeah, maybe I just want to... Okay, I'm going to summon these things. Oh my god, this is so confusing. Wow, this is really difficult. Okay, first we summon this. This is a state of 1. Then we summon the things relative to it, fill, and kill it. Okay, well there's 4 things relative to it actually. There's actually 6, but I'm going to use 2 dimensions. So I'm going to summon the 4 things, give them appropriate scores. 1, 2... Actually, this should be 2, 3, 4, 5, but whatever. Then I kill this one. Or like fill and kill this one. Okay, so then relative to the 1, I want to summon another 1, but I need to kill this one first. So I'm going to set it to... I'm going to add 10 to it. Oh, I can add 10 to everything before I start the next round. So 11 will spawn 1, add 10, 11 will spawn 1. Right, so let's start this over. Okay. Dude is right here. This is MS Paint. You can't even deal with this MS Paint. Okay, so right at this player, we summon a thing, give it a score of 1. Then, 1 tick later, we add 10 to everything. Or like at the end of the tick, we add 10 to everything. So now it's 11. Then, at everything relative to 11, we spawn 2, 3, 4, and 5. We fill everything with a score greater than 10. So we fill it, and then we delete it. Then we add 10 to everything. So we have 12, 13, 14, 15. Relative to the 4, we add 14, we add a 3, a 4, and a 5. Relative to the 3, we add another 3. Relative to the 5, we add another 5. Relative to the 12, we add another 3, 2, and 5. We fill everything that has a score greater than 10. And then we kill him. So I'm creating an expanding radius. And then we add, yeah, I'm creating an expanding radius of fill. 13, 13, 13, 14, whatever, etc. Okay, so this is going to work. This is what I want. This is exactly what I want. So let's figure out exactly what I need to do here. So I've already created the one. So yeah, I get it. Okay. So relative. Man, I wish I didn't have to do these two command blocks where I like add and remove one from the state. But in order to create a new, actually, I want to test something. Let's see. Summon wither skull tilde tilde tilde. Can I say like state 1 direction and state 2? Scoreboard players set at E type equals wither skull state 1, but only if it has a state of 1. No, does not work. Okay, that's too bad. All right, that's fine. Let's not use state. Let's just get rid of this. Okay. So I'm going to have a bunch of these, basically, these little structures. So from a state of 11, I'm going to summon in the -5 direction. I'm going to summon a wither skull. And it is going to have a state of 2. Man, this is going to be really space consuming. Maybe I should do... let me do something. Let me go and MC it real quick. I'm going to move this up off the ground so that I can do 4 command blocks in... Okay. In one area. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So then I can do all 4 of these things in one place, or in one row, whatever. So the first thing I need to happen is this, which is... Hold on, am I looking in the Z direction? Okay. So it's this, 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 this. Okay, so now, okay. So basically this command is going to be exactly the same, like these two commands are going to be exactly the same everywhere. So let's see. How many things do I need to do? So I needed to summon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think there's like 20. Man, that's going to take a while to program. Well, we'll see. Let's clone it. It's got to be an odd number, right? 6, maybe not. Okay, yeah, there's not. I don't know. We'll see. Save. I think I need to extend out the clock thing by a couple. So let's do 22. All right. So then, okay, so the first thing we do is from the guy with state 1, we summon the thing in the -x direction with state 2. Let's see, are these all? Okay. So this is positive x in state 3. We're going to do negative y, I guess. That's state 4. Then positive y, state 5. Negative z is state 6. And whoops, create a new one. Positive z, state 7. Whoops. Okay, so now we've created the 6 around that. Then, okay, so let's start with state. Okay, so this one's going to be state 12. So this is the one that we summoned in the negative x direction. So we're going to summon 5. Oh, did I do the math wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I did. So this is 12. So this is going to get confusing. In the negative, okay, this is the one that was in the negative x direction. We're going to summon another one in the negative x direction. Whoops. Which is state 2. Maybe I should just copy and paste a bunch of these command blocks. This is gonna, yeah. Let's see, it should be, yeah, this is gonna get confusing. This is gonna get really confusing. There's no way this is gonna work my first try, and it's gonna be impossible to do debug, but oh well. Okay, sorry. So we're doing this. So negative y. Let's just do 2 at a time, I guess. Positive y. States 3 and 4. And then negative z and positive z. I'm still not entirely convinced that I'm doing this right. It states... No, I did... That shouldn't be 4, that should be 5. 6 and 7. Yeah, because 3 is positive x, but I want negative y, positive y. Actually, let's see, I'm doing... Oh, God. Am I doing this right? Yeah. I think I'm doing it right. All right, anyway. I have to do all of those again, but for state 13. Okay. So, okay, so we'll start with positive x, which is state 3. Alright, I'll just do all 4 command blocks at once. It'll be faster that way. So it's negative y, positive y, negative z, positive z, which is 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oops. I'm not convinced I'm doing this right. See, it goes to that. Oh, yeah, I'm doing this right. Yeah, I'm doing this right. Okay, so that's so we're gonna propagate infinitely in the negative and positive x direction so far. But yeah, I didn't include nearly enough space. So then in the negative, let's say the negative y, I needed to propagate in 3 directions. So it's gonna be 3, 3, 1, 1. So I don't have enough space. Let's go back to MC to make more space. So I need another 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I think I should be good. I'm not sure, but we'll give it a shot. So now we're on to state 14, which is the negative y direction, which should be only need to be propagated in the y and z directions. So that's 3 at a time, yeah, okay. So this is negative y. So there we go. Negative y, negative z, and positive z. Which is states 4, 6, and 7. Yeah. Okay, then we're on to state 15. Which should go in the positive y direction. And then negative z and positive z. I probably could have done this more concisely, actually, now that I think about it, but because I'm duplicating a lot of commands. Maybe not. Which is, so this is positive y, which is, so I'm going to do 5, 6, 7. And then I need 2 more. Okay, good. So we're on to state 16. Which is negative z. And state 17, which is positive z. State 6 and state 7. Okay. So I want to test this out without destroying everything forever. First, these are not big enough. I increased it by 4 again. 26, which I think is the actual number. Let's check it out. 26. So we're at 348. So it should be 374. Okay, we're good. So yeah, if I... all right, and then... hold on, I need some more things, though. Okay, so... I need, like, a couple more spots. 29. I think it goes out to here, actually. So, let's see. First thing, scoreboard. Let's see. First thing is I do things with the high numbers, and then I kill the high numbers, right? So, what am I going to do with the high numbers? Okay, I know how I'm going to do this. Set, okay. Execute addy type equals wither skull, score state min equals 10. Set block stone. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then I kill everything with a score higher than 10. Then scoreboard. Oops. Scoreboard players add at e type equals wither skull state 10. I think that should work. So let's see. All right, I should be just about ready to test this out. Set block 348, 65, 351, redstone, block 0, destroy. Okay, so that should work. All right, let's see if this thing works. Oops. I don't think things are working. I probably have a typo somewhere. Let's see if these got run. 1856. Yeah, they got run. Did these guys get run? It seems like no. Stone 0. Huh. Yeah, it seems like... Wait. Yeah, the commands here didn't get run. Otherwise, the previous output thing would show output. I'm not sure why they didn't get run. Yeah, these are getting run. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Something a little weird is going on. Stone 0 replace redstone blocks. That's working. Redstone block 0 replace stone. That's working. Yeah, I don't really understand why these command blocks aren't getting run. Can I... What the heck? Even still, they aren't getting run. Okay, something really weird is going on here. I don't understand what it is. I'm gonna try reopening the world, I guess. It's filling the blocks. I don't get it. I really don't understand what's not working here. Like, even if I remove the power, like this command block is not being powered right now. And then I power it. It's not running the command. I've run into this before and I don't remember what it is. Like, what causes this? Okay, let's see if this thing... Okay, well that command's getting run. Maybe these commands are invalid or something? Okay, I'm going to try replacing this with this. there's no Wither Skulls getting summoned. Ah. Oh, you know what? I think... Okay. Yeah, I think there were just no Wither Skulls. You're supposed to have this one to start with. Okay, so I need 2 commands in order to test this out. So I need set block 347, 64, 359. Redstone block 0 destroy. So that'll start the process, and then set block 348, 65, 351. That will iterate the process. Darn it. I just lost the other one. Set block 347, 64, 359. Okay. Alright, so let's go out here and try it out. Alright, so set block. Alright, I have the command copied here. So that should start it. I don't know if it did. Let's try it out. So there's the first iteration. Second iteration doesn't look like it's working. It's not working. Wait, it didn't summon the redstone blocks. Did I typo the command or something? I'm not using slashes. Okay, that worked. That worked for sure. I'm just chatting it. That was terrible. Alright, and then that's the command for that. And that worked. Okay. So there's the first one. Should have more, but I don't. Yeah, it's not working. The first one got killed, but it didn't summon anymore. Alright, let's see if we can figure out why. So it did summon the new one. No, it didn't summon the new one? Oh, it tried and couldn't? Okay. Maybe my kill command is wrong. It seems like... that looks right. Let's try it again. I'm just going to try it again and see what. There. Scoreboard, players, reset, star, state. Okay, score. Whoa, that took a while. Alright. That one first. So we have one thing with the state of 1. We have one thing with the state of 11. Didn't summon any of the others before it died. Let's make sure it's dead. Yeah, it's dead. So something's wrong here. Let me just make sure this is the positive extraction. Yeah. I think this command is wrong. Oh, I am using @p, aren't I? Yeah. Lynn McNeil. Thanks for pointing that out. Yeah. Although I did say I think this command's wrong before I saw your comment. But you're right. Yeah, I'm using @p rather than @e, and that is a problem. So I can fix this real quick by using an MC edit filter. I have one that finds text and replaces it. Done. That's easy. Let's try it again. All right. Oh, let's clear the state thing again. Scoreboard, players, resets, star states. Huh, I wonder why all those entities. Oh, because of the lifetime thing, I think. I'm just going to reset all player scores. And then it shouldn't take very long. Yeah. Interesting. I don't know why I still have a score. Okay, so let's try this again. We have one thing with the state of 1. And then... Alright, one thing with state of 11. Yes, this looks right. So then we should start getting a grid, basically. Alright, let's... So then every time I run this command... Yeah, nice! Look at that! It's working. I think everything that's supposed to be there is there. It should be a diamond in every dimension. So that, yeah. Cool. So this is going to expand out in a diamond shape. Yeah, we're good for sure. This looks right. I'll do it one more time. Okay. Yeah. Cool. So now I have... Oh, this is going to be really cool. Okay. I'm going to delete these in MC Edit real quick. And also the entities. Oh, wow. Okay, this is going to be kind of tricky, actually. And entities. Alright, I can delete the entities in game, actually. Okay. And then let's reset the scoreboards. Okay. So, basically my goal here, this is I think where I need to write the MC edit filter. Let me think about this for a moment. Yeah, it's basically, that thing looked like SkyGrid, but basically I'm making the grid in order to be able to replace every block around the player within a certain radius of the player with quartz, basically. Or maybe white wool. I don't know what I should use. White wool might be better. Just, I want some block that's really white. I could do snow. Probably quartz. Yeah, quartz looks nice. Does it have a border? It does have a little bit of a border. But that's fine. Minecraft's a blocky game. Quartz is really smooth, which is nice. So I'm going to replace every block around the player with quartz. This is going to require an MC edit filter. Oh man, this is going to be tough actually. Let me think. Do I have a list of all the blocks? Let me open up my filters list. And so here I'm taking a look at the list of... Let me make sure that that's okay to show on stream, actually. Yeah, I don't think any important information is there. Okay. Yeah, here's my list of filters. So I want to see if there's... Actually, no, I know exactly the one I want. Midas's touch. Yeah, that's the one. Hold on, let me get the notepad thing over here. Alright, so here's the Midas filter. This is the filter I use to make Midas's touch. There we are. So here's a list of all the blocks. So this is a list of all the blocks in the game, pretty much. I think it might be missing a couple. Okay, sorry. So I'm going to use this list to create an MC edit filter. So let me make a new filter. Actually, I could just copy and paste this whole filter. This is going to be whiten. Whiten.py, sure. Let me make sure I don't have a display name on this. Yeah, we're good. Okay, block IDs. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of like command block and barrier. Command block. Maybe I shouldn't get rid of. We'll call it good, I guess. Oh yeah, that creeper painting in the background. Somebody noticed. Can I like? No, I can't. Whoops. Okay, that didn't work. Let me just edit this real quick. Yeah, you can see there's a creeper in the background of my camera. Why can't I click on XSplit? Come on, man. Anyway, so oh, this is weird. I'm looking at two pictures of me, or two live streams of me stream, or whatever. Okay. This is already in the right format, basically. I just need to add command block. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. So let's make a line of command blocks. Execute @e type equals wither skull score state min equals 10 tilde 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 fill. I think -2 and +2 should work in every direction. -2, -2, -2, +2, positive. And then I want block okay, block -1. Does that work? Replace quartz block. Let me make sure quartz block is the right thing. Also, let me make sure -1 works. Yeah, quartz block. Fill tilde -1 tilde -1 tilde -1 tilde 1. Sandstone. I think this works. -1 replace. Oh, whoops! I actually did this wrong. Quartz. I want quartz block 0 replace sandstone anyway. Yeah, so that works. All right. Let me just fix that command. Quartz block. Come on. Can't type. 0 replace block. Okay. This should work. Should work. Let me make sure the command's right before I go on. It's gonna be like, oops. No, it's gonna be, yeah, it should be this one actually. Okay, execute. @e type equals whether goals for a state min. Yep. fill. Yeah, okay, we're good. So then this is going to be huge. This thing is going to be great. Okay, so I need these things to be like, I don't know. Okay, let's just run the filter first. It's doing it in the next dimension, unfortunately, which is not. Let's see. Let me make sure this command works like I want it to. I need to do it in the Z direction. Z equals box.minz box.minx Z. Okay. Okay. So let's do this thing. How many are there? Well, whatever. I'll just run the filter. Filter. Whiten. Fill. So was there enough space? Crap. Oh, crap. Oh, no. Reload. Don't save. I do actually want in the next direction, don't I? Yeah, I went in the next direction. I made a mistake. Okay. Reload. Filter. Widen. Alright, there we go. So these are the command blocks I want. How many are there? This thing is going to be ridiculous, by the way. 165 divided by 4 is 42. All right, let's move these things over by 43 blocks. Do 44 just for good measure. Clone. Let's, I guess, delete these. And then clone. Oops. Clone. Alright, and then I need groups of 42 at a time. I'm going to put them in right here. Import. Yes, that works. 42. Import. This actually is almost done. Well, the fill part is. Okay. Then this one will be a bit shorter, 39. Alright. Alright. Single player, SethBling World 4. So now I have to be really careful with this because it's actually going to start to replace blocks. And also it's going to be really slow. Let's get rid of this one. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a copy of this world and then just test it out. So let's move over, say, here. I don't actually know if slime blocks were included in that list. They might not have been. I'm kind of curious now. They were not. Okay, well I'll have to add that manually. Alright, so the slime blocks will be protected. That'll actually be interesting to look at. So let's see. What do I want? What do I want? Maybe I should have used... Well, whatever. I'm going to try this out for now. This is not quite done. Alright, so I have the commands saved. Let's try them out. Oh, I hope air wasn't in the list. Whoops. Hold on. Let me just make sure air wasn't in the list. It was. Hold on. I gotta fix that first. It's the first thing in the list. So it's gonna like fill everything, even all the air with. Whoops. It's not the one. I think it's down here. Yeah. There we go. I have to remember to do that with the main one too. Okay, let's try it. Let's run this command. That thing. Block placed. Oh, right, that's... Of course. So this one should take a couple iterations to actually do anything. Whoops. It's not working! Did I break it? There's only one wither skull. Wait, is that really all the... Okay. I'm not sure why it's not working. Scoreboard. Check this SethBling site. What did I do? Oh, I know why it's not working. I never increased the length of the clock thing here. Let's just make it huge. 80. That should be enough, right? Maybe not. 90. Okay. Alright, so now this thing should start. Here we go. It's gonna go slower and slower. Oh my god, this is gonna go so slow. Yeah, the slime blocks are immune. But it's working. So it's painting everything white so that when I throw the... This is... Finally, I'm showing you what what I'm intending to do. It's painting everything white so that I can throw paintballs and have it create splats of paint. I just want like a nice white canvas. So I'm basically gonna run this in order to turn the Minecraft. I have a local copy of the Minecraft server. Turn it white so that I can throw paintballs at it. Looks like it worked. Is it done? Yeah. So it's pretty slow. So what I want... Alright, let's go back to the main world. I have some changes I need to make in the commands here. So let's put this at 90. I'm just going to change the air block 1 to slime block. Just Minecraft : slime. Blech, that's not how you type slime. Alright. And I think I'm almost ready. Okay, so then... So now how do I want to trigger it is the question. Maybe when you eat something... Yeah, I guess. No, that's not what I want to do. Okay, I need to figure out how I'm going to trigger this. I'm going to need to use a scoreboard objective either way, probably. So, alright. Let's see. So I want to trigger this. Alright, I think I know how to do it. I'm going to do something like this. Let's move this up off the ground, actually. I want this to be something self-contained. So that I can paste it into a new world and it'll work. So test for, okay. What I need is more circuitry. Always more circuitry. So let's do a couple things here. Let's scoreboard objectives add stat.useItem. What is it? Stats dot. Oh, right. I'm gonna have it say if you eat something in particular. Stat dot use item dot Minecraft dot spider eye. So when you eat a spider eye, that's what's going to trigger the white paint. Just because spider eyes aren't something you usually eat. Scoreboard players set at a score I min equals 1, I 0. So this will trigger. Yeah. This is exactly what I want, and it's going to work well. And then I'm going to have some repeaters that will okay, so I want to do that. Let's see. These things need to be, I need to remove the 1 from these because these are now going to be clocks. And then I just need to trigger that clock. Hold on. Oh, interesting. Yeah, so I need to. Yeah, I know what I need to do. It's just a matter of measuring it, I guess. So this is 353, 65, 358, 348. So minus 5. Hold on, I got a text or something. No, it's nothing. Okay, the x direction. Sorry, I just have to. Yeah, it's minus 5 in the x direction. In the z direction, it's 351, 358. So minus 7. Just fill. -5 tilde minus 7 tilde 85 tilde minus 7. That's right, isn't it? Positive, yeah, okay. So I'm going to fill it with redstone blocks. I'm going to delete this. And then I'm going to do something similar here, except it's just going to be in the negative z direction. It's 363. 348 is minus 15. Tilde 90, tilde minus 15. Stone. Okay. This might work. This might work. Let's actually trigger this right now. No, I need to back this up first. You know what? Let's just try running it. It might work. I'm in the copy. I'm in the copy, right? I'm in the copy. Let's make sure I'm in the copy. I think this will work. Alright, I'm gonna eat a spider eye. And hopefully it'll paint everything around me white. Including the slime blocks. I can't eat it in creative mode, apparently. I thought I could eat it in creative mode. Can't eat it in survival mode. Don't have... Dang it. What's hunger? 17, 10, 10. Alright, I'm eating a spider eye now. I'm gonna need a different trigger. It's working! Look, it's working. Alright, and it's done. Wow, that's cool. Alright, I need a different trigger than the spider eye thing. I might use like a splash potion or something. Okay, let's go back. Whoa, wait, is it not done? No, it's done. Okay. What? What? None of it's painted white anymore? Cool. Well, that's neat. Does this work? Yeah. Okay, so I need something that I can, oh, maybe, yeah, actually golden apple is a good idea. Because you can eat a golden apple. Well, I don't know if you can eat it in creative mode. So I'll have to go to survival mode, I guess. But yeah, you can eat it even if you aren't hungry or whatever. So that's a good one. So let's change this to stat dot use item dot minecraft dot golden apple. Okay, that's the one I want. Except I don't want to call it I. Sorry. Okay, so we'll create the apple objective. This shouldn't get triggered immediately. Yeah, it shouldn't get triggered immediately. Okay. I guess milk actually... You know what? Actually, I think you can't... I think use item doesn't even work for anything in creative mode. Because for my Mega Bloks thing, the water bucket, using the water bucket didn't add to my use item stat. I had to go to survival mode. Oh, these particles are the worst. Well, anyway. Let's try this again. I think this should work. I'm not really sure why I didn't save the changes, though. It's a little concerning. All right. Okay, let's go back over here. Game mode 0. I could use a potion, yeah. Alright. Huh, that's weird that my game mode could get updated while this stuff is still running. Oh no, it's not weird. This is cool though. It's really laggy. No, effect SethBling clear. I don't want the effect anymore. Still getting these stupid particles. Okay, there we are. Is it still going? No, it said... Oh, it didn't say finish painting. It's still going. Okay. Maybe that's the problem, is I quit in the middle of it before. It's still going. Yeah, I can see, as long as there's redstone over there, it's still going. Because that'll turn to stone when it's done. This is so slow. But it looks cool. Doesn't look like there's primer all over everything. Like, that's the goal, anyway. Oh, wow. It's still going. How much longer is it going to be going for? When I guess when I record the video, I might have to just... Okay, it's more than... It's probably close. I could probably shorten the amount of time it takes to do this. You want my chair? You can't have my chair. Ah, finish painting. Cool. So now if I... Yeah, I don't know. Things should work now. Oh, it's still lagging. There should have been a poof of smoke there. I guess the chat isn't necessarily going to lag. Oh, it's still not actually finished. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. It's going to keep going. Ah, okay. No, that's not the... Wait, oh, yeah. I was just on... Well, good thing it didn't save any changes anyway. Yeah, I was on the main world, I think. Okay, anyway, yeah, there's a problem. Wait, how did I... Did I miscalculate? Okay, so let's think about this. 363, 351. How did I mess that up? Oh, I looked at the wrong coordinate. It's supposed to be minus 12, not minus 15. Let's also shorten this duration a little bit. All right, I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try it again. Golden apple. Am I on the right world? I'm on the copy. Yeah, okay. Now I'm getting paranoid. Game mode 0. Eat. Game mode 1. Maybe I should change it to using effect. Alright, so it's going now. This one shouldn't take as long. Maybe like a minute. Let's watch as it creeps along. Finished painting. Oh. Yeah, now it actually... Nope! I still miscalculated. Oh. Wow. Okay. How did I miscalculate again? 351. 363. 363 minus 351 is minus 12. But it's actually minus 11? I don't... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, it's actually 12. I don't really know what's going on. I'm going to try it again. I'm going to actually change this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just do... I'm not going to do any clear... Let's see, what's... I'll do like night vision, which is 16. And I don't even need that. So then... Yeah, night vision. So this one I can do without... go into survival mode, which is cool. Let's see. Night vision 373, 8230 gives SethBling potion. 80 was it 8230? I don't remember. Display name. Paint it white. That's a weird phrase. Apply primer. 82. Oh, whoops. 1. Did I do it right? Yeah. I'm going to drink the apply primer potion. Let's go create a copy though first. Alright, let's apply some primer. It's working. It's looking good. Let's see if it actually stops. Finish painting. I don't know that it actually did finish painting. What's going on here? It says that these blocks were filled. They were not filled. It's still painting, I think. Why didn't this work? Yeah, it's still going. Why? I don't understand why these are still redstone blocks. There's just... I don't know where the stone went. Like, it says it filled it with stone, but it... Oh, God. Yeah, that's not going to work. I don't know why I thought that was going to work. I need a different material than stone. Whoa, where am I? Okay. Yeah, this needs to be something other than stone. Anything other than stone will work. I'll use dirt. Okay. Let's try it again. I'm almost there. It's just little things. It's so what was going on is it's not because of the lag or anything. It was that I'm already using stone in the clock, so it's constantly replacing stone, redstone, stone, redstone, stone, redstone. So when I replace the redstone with stone, it's just going to go back to redstone and continue the cycle all over. Totally expected. Finish painting, and I think it should be... Yeah, I think it worked. Yeah, okay, cool. It actually stopped. Let's see if... No, it still looks like it's going. No, it's done. I can just see the wither skulls for a moment when I... Okay, I should kill all the wither skulls at the end. Actually, in fact, that's all I have to do. I don't actually have to turn off the clock. Okay, let's go back to the main one. If there's no wither skulls, it's not going to propagate anything. Alright, so let's try this one more time. I think this should work. It's painting. Alright, finish painting. It's done. There's no wither skulls. Looks good. It's great. Alright, I'm going to try this on the Minecraft world that I have, the local Minecraft world. That's not what I want. Okay, let's reload this. This whole thing gets copied. It's taking a while to load this world. Whoop, don't want to look at that. Okay, let's put this way up in the air. Import, and then let's move the player. There's no players. Okay. That's interesting. Let's try it out. Single player. Where is it? Give me the Minecraft. Oh, it's this one. Okay, that's weird. Cheats are not enabled. Cool. Let me enable cheats real quick. Open. Maybe I shouldn't do any of this on screen. I don't know. I guess it'd probably be okay. Allow commands 1. Okay. Save. There we go. Things are going slow now. Oops. Alright. Cactus is still there. That's how you know it's local copy. Yeah, this is back from when I was trying to develop the what's it called? Goat Simulator. So, let's see. I've been streaming for about 2 hours now. That's pretty cool. Alright. Let's go over... I don't know. I don't actually have to go to... Oh, no, I want to make sure that the clock's running. It's probably not running. Yeah, it's not running. Alright. This looks laggy. So, let's try this out. Let's try it out right here in the tree farm. Night vision potion. Something didn't work. I saw these quartz blocks and I was like, well, it kind of worked, but no, those were actually just quartz blocks. Something really messed up there. It's like doing it in the wrong location or something. Let me check out what's going on with commands here. So this all looks fine. Oh, state. Scoreboard objectives. Scoreboard. Okay, I need to add that to the clock thing. Add state dummy. Okay. Add state dummy. Let's try it again. Drink of the potion. That's cool. That's not quite done. Let's game rule command block output false. I do not need to be seeing all this spam. This is really slow. Oh, my game is lagging out now. I don't know if it's gonna like crash or something. Whoa, looks like my live stream is lagging too. Am I dropping frames? Or no, that's just my computer working really hard, I think. Yeah, okay, so people are seeing lag. Yeah. This is really slow. I guess there's just a lot more stuff that actually has to run, and there's a lot more stuff going on in general. This is cool. Yeah. It's not done. It would say it's done, right? Yeah. My game's still not responding. Oh! It's kind of responding. Dead FPS though. It looks cool. Like but it's just a little slow. I guess you guys could probably hear me okay at least. Okay, game lags, but not the webcam. That's good. Yeah, because my webcam, when I watch the stream, my webcam looks like it's lagging just because I think my computer is unable to decode the video. So, ooh, I'm getting invited to dinner. I'm probably about done with the stream anyway. Why isn't command block output? Why isn't command block output being turned off? I turned it off. Okay, well, I want to get your guys' feedback on YouTube live streaming. Basically, this whole like 2-hour live stream, I've been streaming for about 2 hours now, was basically just an experiment to find out what live streaming on YouTube was like. I think the picture quality has been good. The audio quality, I think, was good, although I haven't been listening to the audio. So let me I want to hear what you think about the picture and audio quality. Obviously, the chat is very spammy, and I can't turn on slow mode, which sucks. But overall, I mean, it's probably easier for you to notice that I'm streaming, that sort of thing. So that's a positive, because when I stream on Twitch, I have to make a video or something on YouTube in order to get people over there. Although I don't have as many people on this stream as I probably would have on Twitch. So it's just a matter of when deciding whether or not to live... Oh, it finished. What? Why didn't it say... Did it finish? I'm not actually sure it finished. It's not lagging. It didn't say that it finished. So anyway, would you prefer Twitch? Would you prefer YouTube? Would you prefer I do both? Why? Is there something I missed in terms of the equation? It looks like most people are saying Twitch. Some people are saying just more, but I think they're saying they want me to live stream more, not that they want me to live stream on YouTube more. So, yeah, but the stream quality was really good, I think. And the cool thing about this is I think it should be archived on YouTube. So it's just like automatically archived, which I guess Twitch also archives its streams. So I guess maybe that's not a huge advantage, actually. But it is a little bit easier for a lot of you guys to check it out on YouTube. I'm getting such bad frame rate right now. I don't know why it's still so bad. Like, it shouldn't be. Well, a lot of people are saying they want me to stream on YouTube. Maybe I'll stream on both in the future. And the people that want to just watch it on YouTube and not really chat can just put it on full screen or whatever, and then the people that do actually want to chat can go over to Twitch because it's going to be a better quality chat over there. The thing is, it's a little tough because I've recently been offered I'm going to try drinking this again, by the way, because why not? let's find something good. Maybe I'll drink it over here. So I finally have a contract for a partnership on Twitch. Is it actually going? I don't really know what's happening. I don't know if I drank it. Okay, it's kind of lagging out, I guess. Anyway, so I can't, if I sign the contract for the subscribe button and whatever on Twitch, then I can't stream to both simultaneously. It's against the contract. So I guess it really is one or the other. A lot of people are saying YouTube is better, but then again, this is going to be a little bit biased because I guess a lot of people who would prefer the Twitch stream probably left because of the low quality of the comments. This has not really been helpful in making that decision of whether or not to sign the partnership contract. I think I probably will and get the sub button and stream over on Twitch. The chat quality is really bad over here. There's just not the tools to manage it that you need. But yeah, I wonder why the potion didn't work. I mean, it's not like my chat over on Twitch usually gets pretty spammy anyway. So I don't know. Somebody asked, Vivid asks, is it really about the money? No, it's not really about the money. It's about how I can create the best live stream experience for you guys. I don't really get much money from live streaming. I mean, of course, you know, this is my full-time job. I get a lot more money from YouTube than I do from live streaming. So it's mostly just about how I can make the best experience for you guys. And that's what I'm trying to figure out. But the problem is, all right, you know what? I am going to make a straw poll. I'm going to make a straw poll real quick. And you guys can vote. Poll option. Stream on YouTube only. Stream on Twitch only. I don't care. Either one is fine. Permissive vote. What does that even mean? Check for duplicate votes. Okay. Alright, I'm going to create a poll. Oh, okay, title. Do you want to see me stream on YouTube or Twitch? Only one will be available. Alright, hold on. Almost done. Create poll. Alright. Here is the straw poll. Can't contain links. I'm the streamer. What do you mean it can't contain links? Alright, I'm going to put it in the video description. So if you don't see stream on YouTube or Twitch. So there's a poll in the video description now, or the live stream description, whatever. So I don't know if you need to refresh the page, do that. But yeah, I want to see what your what you guys think. Hopefully Strawpoll can handle this. Yeah, I don't know why. I think the game is really lagging out hard now, or maybe I don't know. Okay, yeah, the straw poll is useful. Looks like, yeah, it'll be a lot easier for me to tell what the actual answer is. I don't know, I can't get it to... Oh, wow, yeah, it looks like Twitch is winning pretty hard. I mean, it's not like a blowout, but... I mean, it's kind of a blowout. More than half the people want me to stream on Twitch, whereas a quarter of the people don't really care. Yeah, so I'll wait a little bit for the results to tabulate, though. But it looks like that's the way it's heading. Oh my god, my computer can't handle this. I bet if I reload the world, if I save and quit and then join it again, I bet this stuff will be... Oh, interesting. Stained glass wasn't included. I'm actually going to make a special case for stained glass and stained glass panes so that they will be white stained glass and stained glass panes instead of turning to quartz. I might make a special case for stairs, although that's going to be a little bit more... Bleh. So, okay. I'm going to try reloading the world and see what happens. Okay, the vote's coming back. YouTube is kind of coming back in the vote. Actually, it's getting pretty even. The world wouldn't even load. Great. Yeah, it's having problems. This thing is having a little bit of problems. Turn water into ice. That's an interesting idea. I'm trying to think if that's... Yeah, it's not a bad idea. I might turn water into ice, or maybe actually white stained clay. What is happening here? Oh, because... Destroy. Yeah, it didn't work. Yeah, it didn't work. That's interesting. It reverted the changes. Anyway, I'm about done with this stream. I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer for the straw poll stuff to tabulate. Try drinking this. Yeah, it's going. Oh right, it didn't get the. Okay. Yeah, this whole thing is just. I'm gonna have to figure out how to make it less laggy. It's going really slow right now. Okay, so the straw poll. Hold on, let me pull up the straw poll results. 42% in favor of Twitch, 32% in favor of YouTube, 25% don't really care. And the fact that I didn't get as many viewers here as I do normally on Twitch kind of says to me that people who didn't like it have left. Which means probably there's a lot more people that would vote for Twitch if they hadn't already left. So I'm probably gonna stream on Twitch in the future and sign the contract with them. But I don't know. This hasn't. Everyone said that YouTube was really, really, really awful. In my opinion, it's worse than Twitch, pretty obviously. But the video quality, audio quality is very good, and the chat is usable if a little spammy. I think part of the problem with the spam is that it's not like I stream regularly, so when people get in here, they get a little hyper and they just want to, you know, they're not trying to participate in the discussion as much as just like freaking out over the fact that I'm streaming. So I guess it probably would get better over time. Like when the new comment system came in, the G+ comment system, everyone was spamming so much, but now it's pretty much okay. So I would say I'm gonna move over to Twitch. I'm probably gonna get that subscribe button on Twitch pretty soon, and so maybe I'll even be streaming more over there. The subscribe button does, you know, contribute financially, which is kind of nice. Not that that's the main factor. I do think it's a better experience over there too. I was kind of hoping that YouTube would work out really well because it's should be easier to get my viewers onto the stream from YouTube, because that's where all my subscribers are mostly. I mean, I have like 80,000 followers on Twitch or something, but anyway, I don't know. Okay, I'll put a link to my Twitch stream in the video description. Twitch channel, so that you guys can follow over there, and might help you see when I'm going live. Twitch.tv. It's just twitch.tv/SethBling though, so you can go follow me over there if you want, and I'll probably be streaming over there in the future. But I wanted to give YouTube a shot, and if YouTube is buying Twitch, maybe eventually they'll integrate it so that it'll be easier for people to see my stream anyway. Who knows? I just wanted to. I mean, I don't want to. It's still a rumor, technically. They haven't confirmed it. I didn't want to put all my eggs in that basket without even trying it. So now I've tried it, and I learned some things. I'm going to call the stream here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate it. Again, head over to the Twitch page. There's a link in the video description now if you want to follow me over there and see when I do go live again. Otherwise, thanks for watching.